I want to show you how to use this fun Super Movers Google Form escape room gross motor activity created by our new creator, Carrie Lakota. So when you open this up and you make a copy in your Google Drive, you will be in the area where you can edit the information. You want to leave that alone, and you're going to come over here to where it says send. You're going to find this link, copy it, open it up in a new tab, or send it to your student, and now you're ready to use the activity. So you're going to read this and then click next. Welcome to the adventure, and you're going to go through. Are you ready? You'll read the cards, and then it will say it's exercise time. And these are an example of the gifts that are used, and the student would choose what they would do. So let's say the student participates in high knees, does the exercise, and then moves on after they've completed the exercise. Oh, you have super speed. You can run so fast, and then you continue and you move through all the activities.